Okay, if you do not have this template yet from orientation, you can click up here on the three dots and say duplicate site and give it a few minutes. It does take a few minutes to duplicate. Once you have it, go to your site. It's going to give you the option to rename it, so you should add your name up here. And then we're going to go and click on classes. So when classes comes up, you're going to have these options to add your classes. You can see I did this with, or I started this demonstration with my Foundations of Digital Art. So depending on what class is watching this video, you're going to add your class title and block. So if I have my F block ceramics, I'm going to give the class a title. And you can feel free to expand on this. I'm just going to put fall 2020. You might want to put the room number, so we're room 209. You can add an image for it. You may not have one yet since we're not very far into class, but once you have this set up, you're going to come over here to Pages. Classes. So we're going to go to, it looks like there's not yet a page link to this. So we're going to come over here. I'm going to click on this one first. And I want to add a subpage to my classes. So I thought this would automatically populate over here, but it's not set up that way. So we're going to put in F ceramics. Let's give a little space there. And now you're going to have your classes here, and then we're going to set it up so you can click on this. So let's give, I'm going to put, let's see, just for the heck of it, because this is on my desktop, I am going to add a pumpkin as my ceramics icon for the moment. Yeah, we'll keep it the same size for now. Then I'm gonna link it to my ceramics class. So I should be able to go here now. Let me zoom out so you can see. I might have to do a preview to get my link to work. But yeah, that should take you right over to the ceramics page, and it does. And now I can add things like my own photos. So we are going to start by, let's see, we're going to choose this layout to start. I'm going to add my sketch. So my sketch is on my desktop. I'm going to go to upload. Let's see. Here's my sketch example that I shared on one of the first days of class. That was a response to some of the questions. So just a visual response. Then over here, we'll be adding some other things like the slideshow once the class is finished with it. Once we start working with the different types of hand building, we'll add those in. So I'm going to pause it here just so we can get the link to and a page started for ceramics. If you are ahead and we're still waiting for some people to get here and get a first thing posted, feel free to edit your backgrounds here. You can change your image, you can change your fonts, so feel free to customize it how you want.